Haley, get in there and get it. Go get it, Haley. Haley, go.
I give it more down there. Haley, go.
Good job. Good job, Cameron. Way to go, Cameron. You want to help her? Oh, good try, good try. Good job, Alexis. Hey, Katie had a hat trick last week.
Did she really?
Yeah.
I was at Las Vegas. Working.
I hear you.
Listen, you sit down here. Where the goal is? Don't feel like you're free. You're standing here with the score down. Come here. Good shot.
Good try, good try. Are you Ann's husband?
No, I'm here. You go stand down there on the defensive side. Okay, Katie.
Nice pass, Alexis.
Get open,
Nice
Katie,
pass.
Get open, Katie. Get it, Katie. Get it, Katie. Oh. What was that? Get it, Katie. Perfect.
She did great. She did great last week.
Go, Katie. Get it, Katie. Go, Katie. You gotta call that one. 2. You get 1 free pass. Okay, Katie, get ready. Right after she kicks it, you go.
There you go.
Katie, right after she kicks it, you go.
There you go.
Katie, right after she kicks it, you go. Well, she no wonder. It's Kurt's daughter. She's ready to go right for the corner. Like,
Stay with it. Don't stop. Follow it.
Good job.
get it, Isabel. There you go, Katie. Go, Katie. Go, Katie. Good pass. Good pass. Down the middle, Katie. Down the middle, Katie. Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle, Katie. Good kick. Good kick. Way to go. Way to go. Awesome.
Good corner.
Good pass, Katie. Good kick, Caroline. Go, Katie. Go get it. Go get it, Katie.
Go.
Good one, Caroline. Go, Katie. Go, Katie. Go, Katie. Save it. Save it.
Here. There you go.
Come on, Rihanna. Go for it. Lauren. Come on. Go, girl. Let her go, Bounce.
Go get it, friends. Get in there. Good pass. Good pass. Pass it back. Pass it back. Good save, goalie. Good save.
Got a month after we got done, he stepped on the boat. The boat pulled away.
I didn't want that. Did you pull that thing out? It's like if you have that thing down here, it's even worse than.
And he did it out on Lake Oconee. And it said to him. Yeah.
Did you pull that thing out? It's like if you have that thing down here, it's even worse than.
And he did it out on Lake Oconee. And it said to him.
Go, Katie. Go, Katie. Go, Katie. Go, Katie.
Stay with it. Stay with it. Spread out. Spread out. Spread out.
Come on, Lauren. Good kick.
Good, she has a strong foot there.
There, girl, Bounce. There, girl, Bounce. Go for it. Keep it down. Keep it down. That's it. There. Brianna, go.
Go get it, Lauren. Go get it, Lauren.
Help, White. She needs help.
Get it, girl.
Oh, nice.
Good move. Good move. Go, Katie. Go, Katie.
Did you see that one move?
Left foot. Left foot.
Hey, buddy. How you
Corner
doing?
kick, Katie. Corner. Katie, corner.
Lauren's got a good
Get it,
foot.
Katie.
This is Lauren's dad.
Okay. No, she got a great leg.
Make them feel like they're
One of the best friends on the other team.
Come on, girls.
crazy.
Good goal.
It's like for a 1-3 team.
Mays, their offense is great. And then we don't even have our number 1 wide receiver until today.
The number 2 wide receiver's done a great job.
Done a great job. Unbelievable. Get it, Lily.
Oh!
What's that?
They just stop throwing the ball when they get the game.
That's Olivia. She looks a lot like Lily.
Oh, that's Olivia? Okay.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Yeah, that's right. With the hair.
Looks a lot like who?
Nice throw, keeper.
Olivia's one of those girls who was really coordinated.
I coached her 2 years ago.
Good job,
Her
kicker.
best player by far. Come on, Olivia. That's just a sweet girl, too. Nice.
Yeah.
Come on, get ready, Lily.
Rip it now. Good job, Alexis. Hey, Dad, he said volunteers are on a 3:30.
CBS. 12:20 next week if Georgia beats us.
12-21.
12:20, that's right. That's right. We'll be out here.
Good job, Cameron.
I'm actually going that game next week.
I got it. Years now.
Have you really been out?
I came here in 90.
Well, you were in California, weren't
I
you?
was in California. I converted all my friends out
So
there.
you're not going to the game? Or you might go to the
I
game?
might.
If you go, I'll tell you where to meet.
Yes. Another down here. Cameron did.
Haley. Stay with it. Stay with it.
Good kick.
Good play. Way to go. Wow.
Get in there, Lil.
Get in there, Haley. Get in there.
Get it.
All right. Good kick, Alexis.
Get and go, keeper. Get and go.
Nice takeaway, Cameron.
Coming around. Go with it. Go with it. Go.
Lily, good game.
Go get it, Haley. Down the side. Down the side.
Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia.
Yes.
Good play, Olivia. Keep going, Olivia. Keep going, Olivia.
Good job.
Take it, Haley.
Come on, Olivia.
Get ready to go.
Get in front of her, Lily.
Go, Olivia.
Can Lily not go past that line, Jamie?
Go get it.
Get open, Olivia. Get open.
There we go.
Good pass, Olivia.
Nice kick. Nice job. Nice job.
Pass it.
Wide open. Allie, go. Off to the left. Off to the left. You got to follow it.
Over, Lily. What's that?
I said, I'm glad you got that taken care of.
Feel great. Unbelievable.
Get it, Lily.
Have you been skiing
Go.
since
Take
then?
it in.
No, I just had it done a few months ago.
Oh, did you? Okay.
I've been lighting up the airport, though.
Yeah, I'm a good friend to Hartsfield Jackson myself.
Get it, Lily. Get it. Take it in.
Shoot it, Lily.
Oh.
One pass too many.
Go get it, Allie.
Come on, Lily.
Go.
Get it,
Come on back, Mary Catherine. Get in front of her. Don't let her kick it, Mary Catherine.
White team against the blue team.
Haley, you're offside.
Same number.
What, 30-minute house? Yeah.
Lily, or Kristen, is that Lily's, or Laura's daughter, number 22 over there?
Get open, Olivia, get open. There you go. Pass it back. Pass it back.
Come on, Lily, get the ball.
Take it, Haley, all the way, all the way.
Help her.
Nice pass, Haley, nice pass. Get open, Haley, talk to her.
Lily, remember you're a forward.
Good job, kickers, looking good.
See that look? It's like hush.
Good throw, Cameron. Good throw.
Go take it, Lily.
Downfield, Haley, all you got, go.
Go, go, kick.
Oh, no, follow it. Oh, no, follow it.
Maybe Cameron maybe fell on it and touched it.
Oh, nice try, though.
Cameron maybe fell on it and touched it.
Oh, nice try, though.
Go in there, Haley, get down there.
Good job, Alexis. Way to go. The punt.
Pass time.
Part of the dedication.
Yeah. Well, that's what they were doing. Now they were trying to sway the votes to say we need a medical school on this day. So it was a boondoggle, and I went with my dad. And, they spent a lot of time in hotel and they were
In the blue shirt, the soccer ball.
remember, that's
Get in the way, get in the way. That's it. Get in the way.
Good, good.
Come on, Val. Come on, Val. Go, Val. Go, Val.
come on, Olivia, turn it up. Turn it up. Center. Center. Go, Olivia.
Kill me on that one.
Come on, Olivia, turn it up. Turn it up. Center. Center. Go, Olivia.
Kill me on that one.
That's the middle. That's the middle.
That's it. Get it.
Good job, Katie. Way to go, Katie.
Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Okay, come on, Brianna.
Get down there, Val. Get down there.
Good job, Olivia.
Stay with it. Stay with it. Good job.
Stop it, Val.
There you go.
Cut her off. Look, got in front of her off. You got to stop her.
Alexis. Kick it out. Let it get it out of there.
Come on, Val. Take it, Val.
Okay, get it.
Good get. Kick it down there. Let's go. Good job, you guys.
Come on, Isabel.
Go to the side. Go to the side.
Go, Brianna. Get in there. Get in there. Get it.
Get up, Alexis. Don't worry. No.
Oh, good.